guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn this this stick into bamboo. Now the first thing you want to do is act like you're climbing a mountain. So, oh, this is so hard, I have to keep going. And then you want to go back and lean it up against the wall. That's the first thing you want to do. Now just put it there. Now go over here, watch it for a few seconds. Now, if you have been waiting for at least 6 hours, you should see that the bamboo should turn into bamboo right now. Oh, look at that, it just turned into bamboo, as you can see. This is not the little stick anymore. This is now a long bamboo stick. Now you just want to act like this is a real mountain. Now, this really should work very well on the mountains. As you can see, it's working very well. I'm already hurting my back, just kidding. So, yes. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and give me money. Goodbye.